Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your Elgato Cam Link 4K with your iMac. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to use your Elgato Cam Link 4K and connect it with your iMac so that you can record videos from your camera straight to your iMac. How do you actually go ahead and do that? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, what you're first going to do is that you need an HDMI and micro HDMI cable. So this is what that looks like. Next, you want to grab the HDMI portion and plug it into your Cam Link 4K. And then depending on what model of camera you're using, there should be an input that says HDMI. So this is a Sony a7 III. Go ahead and plug in the micro HDMI portion into the camera, just like that. And then the next thing you need to do is that your Cam Link 4K needs to be plugged into your iMac. So go ahead and plug it into your iMac, just like this. And I'm using an external monitor just so I can show you where things plug in. But we're also going to be using OBS. So with OBS, go ahead and have it loaded up. And then under Sources, click on the plus button and then click on Video Capture Device. Next, click on Video Capture Device, right-click it, click on Properties. And then for the device, you want to make sure that Cam Link 4K is connected and then click on OK. The last thing you need to do is simply just turn on your camera. So go ahead and turn on your camera and there you have it. We've now connected or set up our Cam Link 4K with our iMac. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and do this. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.